Ready to unleash your dog's inner champion? Let's master dog agility in 12 exciting steps. Step 1. Discover essential agility equipment. Jumps, tunnels, and contact obstacles form the course's backbone. Step 2. Build a strong foundation with basic obedience. Master sit, stay, and come commands. Step 3. Create a DIY agility course at home. Use household items to kickstart your training journey. Step 4. Master handling techniques. Learn to guide your dog through the course with precision. Step 5. Enhance your dog's flexibility and body awareness through targeted exercises. Step 6. Develop unbreakable teamwork. Focus on communication skills with your furry partner. Step 7. Find professional support. Join local classes and agility clubs for expert guidance. Step 8. Explore competitive agility. Participate in local events and aim for national tournaments. Step 9. Uncover agility's benefits. It's fantastic exercise for your dog, both physically and mentally. Step 10. Strengthen your bond. Agility brings you and your canine companion closer than ever. Step 11. Agility is for everyone. It's suitable for all healthy adult dogs, regardless of breed. Step 12. Connect with the agility community. Access valuable resources to fuel your journey. Ready to unleash your dog's inner champion? Click the link below to start your agility journey.